Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining us today on the Electric Guy. Today in this video we will learn about sodium. This is sodium metal. You can see it is not looking very shiny because a layer of thin oxide of this metal is formed on the outer surface. This metal is very lightweight. If you will compare the weight of sodium and aluminium, you will find that aluminium has almost double the weight of sodium. Sodium metal is also very malleable. That means you can hammer it into thin sheets. As this metal is very soft, this can be drawn into thin sheets very easily. If you will drop a small piece of sodium in water, you will find that it will react very vigorously with water and form hydrogen and sodium hydroxide. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and share this video. And if you want to stay tuned with my upcoming videos, please subscribe.